Good night for everybody. My name is Eva Moncayamora and this is my test about the pronouncing consonant and vowel sound from the IPA alphabet. So for now, the IPA alphabet is this, that is the international pronunciation alphabet that we can use for pronouncing some words. For example, in the vowels and the consonant we can find monotongues and diphthongs, and this is how this sounds. For example, the first one, E, E. We can use for sheep or other like this. The other is E, E. We can use it for sheep, how this has the example. The for good, the good. The shoot, la U for shoot, shoot. I need to remember that this sounds is that all the sounds that we can find in the pronunciation of some words. The other is E, E, E for bed. The other one is er. For example, is teacher. Other one of the sounds that we can find in the monotongues of the vowel is ear, beard, flirt, eared. For example, or. This is the sound. For example, door. Other we can find is cut. You see the sound for a, cut, cut. The other is oo. For example, oop, boot, oo. The other is r, far, bar, r. And the other one is o, on, not, other example. And the diphthongs of this is ear of the vowels. If ear for here, for example, there is a for wait, a for wait, o for example, Doris, the oi, this sound, oi of this, for boy. The other is o for show, now. The other one is air, the pronunciation like hair. The other one is is e for my, I. We can pronounce like I, yes, my. And other one is o, cow. For example, cow is ow. Well, this is for the vowels. The monotones and we can find the consonant are the next. For example, p, the p. B, the boat, th, the three, the dog. We can find f for fly, the video, of thing. You can use the example of thing, of ink, thing. This sound, th of this. We can use more air. The for man, n for now, sing, this sound with palatal sound. The with more air, hot. This is for the monotongues, and for diphthongs of the vowels, we can find sh, the she's, the June, car, go, the go, as the sea, so, th, the th or sound like that. The the shawl, this vision, television, the L for love, the red, red, z, we, wheat, weight, for example, and the jazz, yellow. Okay, this is all for today, and thank you for seeing, and see you soon.